Okay. This is number 8. I'm just gonna go. Just go. All right. Ready? New world record, 30.8. The previous record was 30.88. This one's 30.81.
Wow, you beat your record.
What?
You beat your record.
I did beat my record.
I'm dizzy.
It's funny because 2 weeks ago, the record was 32. And then last week I ran a 31. This week, I ran a couple 31s. Nothing was over 32. And I got into the 30s twice. I think we're gonna break 30 soon.
What was the fastest one?
That was your fastest one? Give us some knuckles. Man, you're gonna blast my hand to pieces.
I know.
What's this monkey sister of yours doing? Is she running today? Just climbing the walls? All right, come on, kid. Chin up. One chin up. Don't fall, though. Nice. Ready, sir? Do you know what the 5-lap world record is? 30.8. I just did it.
All right.
Do you know what your record is? I don't know if you've done 5 laps. Anyway, okay, ready? Yes or no? 5 laps? No, do 5 laps. Okay. See where your 5-lap time is. First, back up from the start line. Now remember, on your marks, set, and then go, right? Okay, on your marks. Set, go! Two. Dizzy here. 3. 4. Last one. Finish fast, finish fast, finish fast. 42.28. Nice work, man. That's great. Good job, Mr. Cooling Down, man. Okay, wait till he gets a little further ahead. Okay, you got 3 fast laps. On your marks. Set, look forward, go.